5. Critical legal mistakes businesses must avoid. 1. Not reviewing contracts thoroughly. Failing to carefully review contract terms can lead to significant financial risks. 2. Ignoring trademark issues. Infringing intellectual property rights may result in costly litigation. 3. Relying on template contracts. Using generic templates without customization to meet specific business needs creates dangerous legal loopholes. 4. Operating without labor contracts. The absence of labor contracts leads to personnel disputes and substantial penalties from labor authorities. 5. Violating tax laws. Non-compliance with tax regulations results in heavy fines, tax arrears, and potential criminal penalties. Warning: these mistakes not only cause financial losses, but also severely damage a company's reputation. Consult experts from the Institute of Legal Science Arbitration, ARI, before signing any legal documents. Hidden risks of implicit contract terms. Many small and medium-sized enterprises in Vietnam face severe consequences from failing to carefully review implicit contract terms. Consequences of implicit terms. For example, one business incurred a penalty 5 times the rental value for late payment, resulting in damages worth hundreds of millions of VND. Read contracts thoroughly. Take time to review all terms in detail, including fine print and appendices. Pay close attention to clauses on breach penalties and contract termination. Consult legal experts. Hiring a lawyer to review and explain complex terms before signing is far less costly than potential damages. Consequences of not registering a trademark. Real case. A Vietnamese startup lost a brand worth billions of VND after a competitor registered it first, wasting years of brand-building efforts. Preventive measures. Register your trademark early in the business process. Verify the legal status of the trademark. Consult intellectual property experts. Serious consequences. Loss of all built brand value. High costs of redesigning brand identity. Customer confusion and loss of trust. Trademark registration is a mandatory investment. The cost is significantly lower than the damage of losing your brand. Risks of using online template contracts. Online template contracts pose significant legal risks. Below are the main risks and preventive measures. Not suitable for practical needs. Templates often fail to meet specific business needs, leading to disadvantages during implementation. Lack of protective clauses. Templates may omit clauses to protect essential rights, increasing the risk of losses. Legal disputes. Generic contracts can easily lead to disputes that harm the business. Draft tailored contracts. Create contracts tailored to specific transactions to safeguard your rights. Consult experts. Engage experts from the Institute of Legal Science Arbitration, ARI, to avoid potential errors. Review carefully. Take time to review and refine contracts before signing. Legal risks of not having labor contracts. Serious litigation risks. Resigning employees may sue for benefits not previously agreed upon, leading to significant compensation and reputational damage. Preventive measures. Sign clear labor contracts from the first day. Ensure compliance with Vietnam's labor code. Update terms to reflect the latest regulations. Consequences of labor inspections. Businesses without labor contracts may face administrative penalties and be required to rectify violations. Tax compliance risks for businesses. Legal risks. Failure to comply with tax and accounting laws leads to heavy administrative penalties for Vietnamese businesses. Serious consequences. Businesses may face tax arrears with interest, resulting in damages worth billions of VND. Preventive measures. Hire a professional accounting or auditing team. Stay updated on new tax regulations. Participate in tax compliance training. Proactively protect your business. As an entrepreneur, you cannot wait for legal risks to arise. Act now. Equip yourself with knowledge. Understanding the law is your strongest defense. Seek expert advice. Investing in professional legal advice is not an expense, it's insurance. Act today. Every day of delay exposes your business to unnecessary risks. Protecting your achievements is not optional, it's a responsibility. Contact experts from the Institute of Legal Science Arbitration, ARI, for support today. For further assistance, reach out to ARI now.